Guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another car stance video. Today I have for you Topsecret R35 Gtr 4K. All right, now before we get started, guys, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love and support, guys, on the car channel. You guys are so amazing. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Let's hit it, let's hit it, let's hit it, and then let's pass it, okay? All right, now let's check this out. Let's check out this sexy ass GTR. Vision Media, thank you for the video. Oh, I need more of that. I need more of that. Listen to the idol. Is that like a wide body kit that it has on? I think so, right? It looks like it. No, it's not a wide body kit. Probably just in the back. Oh, that thing sounds so aggressive, yo. Damn, did you hear that blow off? Carbon fiber hood, that's always a good choice. It's probably costs like $5,000 just for the hood. Just for the hood. Jesus, yo, you can't see inside that car. Oh my God, man. I like this, man. I feel like a little kid, you know, like watching these car stance videos, it just makes me feel like a little kid that's looking at his toy cars. Yo, listen to this thing pulling up. It's like, oh, that's cool. Damn, man. Wow. Wow. I kind of like the color combination. The white and the black is always simple, but it's always clean. Yeah. Breaking nets. Breaking necks. Oh my God, bro. That show was sexy. Vision, that was nice. I really like that. That was really nice. Guys, thank you so much for watching, man. Like, subscribe, comment. More is coming up on the channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one, all right? Peace.